In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to protect your Vercel site from attackers. If you want to reduce unwanted traffic and make your site more resilient against malicious activity, Vercel includes a few built-in security features that are quick to enable. In this walkthrough, I'll show you where to find them and briefly explain what they do so you can turn them on with confidence. First, head over to your Vercel dashboard. This is the main control center for your projects where you can manage deployments, settings, and security options. Once you're there, open the project you want to protect. Make sure you're working inside the correct project before changing anything, especially if you manage multiple sites. After you've selected your project, go to Firewall and then open Bot Management. This section is designed to help you deal with automated traffic. Not all bots are harmful, but malicious bots can scrape content, probe for vulnerabilities, or overload parts of your site. That's why this area is an important first stop when tightening security. Now turn on bot protection and AI bot protection. Enabling these options helps automatically filter out suspicious automated threats before they can do damage. This is one of the easiest ways to improve protection without manually creating rules yourself. If your site has been getting unusual traffic spikes or repeated unwanted requests, these features can be especially helpful. Once that's done, go back to your Vercel dashboard, open the same project again, and this time navigate to Settings, then Security. This section contains additional protections that apply more broadly to how visitors interact with your site. It's a good place to review whenever you want to strengthen your project's overall safety. In the security section, toggle on Attack Challenge mode. This feature adds an extra layer of defense by challenging suspicious traffic before it reaches your application normally. In practical terms, it can help slow down or block attackers while allowing legitimate visitors to continue through. It's especially useful during periods of abnormal traffic or when you suspect your site is being targeted. And that's it. By enabling bot protection, AI bot protection, and attack challenge mode, you're using Vercel's built-in tools to make your site harder to abuse. These changes are simple, fast, and can make a meaningful difference in protecting your project from automated attacks. If you're responsible for a production site, it's a smart habit to review these security settings regularly and keep them enabled whenever appropriate.